Hi everyone, thanks for some good discussion again this week. One of the things that really stood out to me was just our discussion about radical empiricism, as well as the pragmatism for William James, and just really, how he was emphasizing, what is practical and that how we have to experience things, and that it's through experience that things are proven or disproven, which I think is really important, overall in psychology, is how are we using this information, how are we using what we are finding, the results that we're getting, and whatnot. But, one thing I think that is, kind of worth talking about is where does that line of practicality come into place? Like, how do we determine if something is practical? Because I think there is some, basic psychology research that we do that maybe doesn't directly apply in the sense that I can use X, Y, and Z skill, but just is maybe useful to have about memory, or just kind of basic areas within the brain that do certain functions. Are we still considering that as being practical? Probably more importantly, would William James consider that being practical, or something that we need to be able to do, such as with social psychology, and how we can, see the foot in the door technique, that kind of an idea there. So overall, just very interesting, talking about experience and practicality and just William James and how he was switching from, Wundt and whatnot. So just overall, really good discussion. So thanks, everyone.